Welcome. How do we change the color of the background of an image in Adobe Photoshop? Question answered. So in this tutorial, we are going to be looking at how to change the background of an background color of an image in Adobe Photoshop. So for us to do that, we are going to first copy this layer. For us to copy the layer, we are going to press Ctrl J on the keyboard. After pressing Ctrl J, you can see our layer is already copied. So such that, why are we copying? We are copying in order for us to check before and after. Yes, or maybe in case you make a mistake, you can easily go back and use the original layer, then again start afresh. So we are going to change this image background color. For us to change it, first of all, we are going to use the quick selection tool. I'm going to click on the quick selection tool. Then I come to select subject here. At this point, I will click on the select subject. After that, I allow Photoshop to select the subject. So now here we find that Photoshop has already selected the subject. I can press Q to check which part is or which area is not selected. Then again click Q to get back. So Q reveals to you which area is not properly selected. I can press Ctrl plus to zoom in to my image, and I am able to see where and how and which part is not properly selected. So let me zoom out by pressing Ctrl and minus, or even just double click on this hand tool. So now here I'm going to press Q again to remove that fill. I'm now left with the putting the fill color. So for me to put the fill color, I will come to layer, then I come to new fill layer, then I choose solid color, and then you can even let me cancel this. You can even come here to this layer. Here you click on it, then you choose solid color. Then boom, it already gives you the solid color. So now here I'm going to choose the color that I want. For this case, I'm going to choose blue. So after choosing blue as our color, I'm going to say OK. And after that, I have to choose the color fill layer mask, this one. I'm going to select it, and then I invert this. So for me to invert it, I am going to come to image, then I come to adjustments, and then I come to invert. So or you can press Ctrl plus I on your keyboard, it can also invert. I'm going to click on this, boom, our image is already, our background is already changed. So now we had the background before we changed this. Let me show you. We had this background of some sort of a container behind this. So now I turned off the eye icon, then I turn on. So when I turn off this, it means we are making this layer invisible and we are only able to view these layers. So you find that before our image had this, and now after we have changed the background color, there is the object that was behind our image is not seen now. It is being filled up with the color. So how can we come out with that? So for us to do that, we shall come to change the blending mode from normal to multiply. So I am going to choose multiply. Boom. Yeah. Now you see our background color is matching with the the background that was originally there. So now with this is how you can change the background color of your photo in Adobe Photoshop 2019, or you can even use it in other versions of Adobe Photoshop. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel. This is the only way we can grow this. Like, share, and comment. So thank you. I see you in my next video.